Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the play button and now tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the first option, the change name button, and just delete the player and write your own name, and if you don't, just click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.